First, you're going to want to get to your Google Sites account. You're going to log into Drive. You're going to use that icon, and you're going to go find the sites, and then you should see a list of the sites. You're going to locate your site that you created last class, and you're going to open it and click on it, and it'll look something like this. Okay, depending on how you customize it, I want to focus on that first today. I want to see you get into the Manage Site. So you're going to click on the gear first, go to Manage Site, and you may or may not have done this already, but I want you to go to Themes, Colors, and Fonts. And from there, I want you to do a couple of things. First, I would like to see you put some sort of image in your background. Now, it can be a pattern image or it can be a picture image. It doesn't matter, but something so that it changes the background. And so you go to Entire Page, Background, and go to Image, and you would choose a picture. Now, I don't know what kind of pictures I have on mine. I'm going to choose a student crossing sign. It'll take a moment to upload the picture, and then you should see the student crossing in the background. Okay, another thing I would like to see you do, on the site header, you have the ability to also change an image. So if you want to, and I'm just going to show you an example, I'm going to go to site header here, title. Is it the background? I think it's the background image. Let's try. We'll see what happens. I want to put the apple. Give it a second to upload. Okay. See how it has a little apple here at the top? And then it has my student crossing at the bottom. Okay, now these obviously aren't beautiful. Maybe you can spend more time to choose ones that you like better. Okay, a third thing I want you to do to customize, if you have not done this already, in addition to all the other colors that you can change, I want you to choose a font or text for the entire site. So you go to Entire Page, Text, and right now it's on the theme. I want it to be on the list of fonts. So I'm going to click on that. It takes a minute to load. And here is where you will find that there are hundreds upon hundreds of fonts to choose from to customize your site. Now you can spend more time looking through, but I'm just going to go through really fast, and I'm going to find one that kind of stands out to me. And they all have really cool names, and they all give you a little preview of how cute they are. I'm looking for something somewhat easy to read, a little bold. Look at this one. It's called Spicy Rice. Let's try that one. Now, mine's a little small, so I'm going to also bump up the size. How about size 16? That looks good. And here also, if you wanted to change the theme from the theme color to a specific color, say I want mine to be blue, it would change it there as well. Okay, so I'm going to save all these changes. Wait, there's one more I want to do. See this content area, how it's kind of this putrid green color? I'm going to change that. So I'm going to go to the content area, and I'm going to go where it says color, and I'm going to choose a better color. Let's see. There, that one's a little bit more friendly. Okay, so I'm going to save. I'm going to go back to my site, and you can see mine's a little obnoxious, but it's more customized than it was before. Okay, going back to the About Me page that you worked on last time. You should have 5 things you liked, 5 things you don't like, and 5 things we'd be surprised to know about you. Now, in addition to the font and the color and the customizing, I want you to add pictures, and that's really easy. You just drag and drop. You do a Google image search, you edit this page, open a new tab, drag and drop your picture in. Easy peasy. If it doesn't work, either find a new picture or you can save the picture to the computer before you insert it. Class reflections page. You're going to have 5 things that were your favorite in this class, topics or units you learned, 5 topics, units, programs you didn't like, and then 5 things you wish you would have had the opportunity to learn. Okay. Now what you can also do, I'm going to go back to the home page, is you can add hyperlinks to your favorites. So I'm going to take out just this fill right here. I'm going to leave the directions about the gear because we're going to talk about that again. And here's a hyperlink. So let's say I like Mountain Dew. I'm going to find the actual address of the Mountain Dew site. Up here, I'm going to Control-C to copy. I'm going to Control-V. There it is, that little link button. And I'm going to link to a web address. I'm going to paste it, click OK. Now it created my link. So now if I save it, I click there, and it will take me to the Mountain Dew website. So one last thing I want to talk about is your digital portfolio page. That is where you can showcase some of your work and also have fun with some gadgets. So first, you're going to edit the page, and it actually tells you how to do it, but I'm going to walk you through it as well. You go Insert, Drive, and Drive and Document. So first, we're going to show one of our document works. Here's the universe. Ha ha ha. And I'm going to say small. It's just going to be embedded in, and it's going to put it in there. Now you don't see it until you save it. Let's do one on the other side. I'm going to go Insert, Drive, Document. Okay, so I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to leave the title. I'm going to save it. So watch what happens when I save. It should show a preview of the slideshow. Isn't that awesome? And you can actually go through and see a miniature presentation of this is your work. This is stuff that you created, stuff on your files.